I thought I'd give you a little tour of our house. Hi, I'm Gav.
And I'm Amy. We've been fostering for about 22 years now.
We've probably had 40 plus children. It's all right, actually. We've recently decorated it. There's the stairs.
I'm care experienced myself, so my experience really played into how I wanted to be as a foster carer myself. I wanted the children that we fostered to have the experiences that our own children would have, whether that be clothing, days out, holidays, and in doing so, the children that we fostered have really enriched our life too.
And this is our kitchen and our living room and the hub of the house where we do our movie nights and we all eat together. Here's Amy. This is Jess, my son.
One of the things about our house is that we have a lot of animals. For example, the really angry cat here, Fu Minchi is. We have Gary the tortoise. We have Mally, our very excitable dog. Outside we have 2 chickens.
We're a very busy household, so if you like getting involved in sports activities, having friends over, then this is the place for you. Sometimes on a Sunday we'll go and walk one of the mountains and the waterfall walks we like, don't we? Especially in the summer because the kids love jumping in there and swimming. But there's no pressure because sometimes people just want to stay at home and chill.
One of the better things about this house is the couch. There's 2 TVs. It's just a good shout to have your mates around you, honestly.
And this is one of the bedrooms, and we encourage people to make it their own space. Okay, so that was us, that was our house, this is our family.
Having something like this would have really helped me as a young child. Being able to see where I'm going probably would have alleviated some of my worries. So I hope it does that for you.
And I hope it's given you an insight into actually what fostering truly is. It's about making an impact and making a change on everybody's lives.